Should I stop renting and buy a home? Key questions to consider. Making the transition from renting to buying a home is a significant decision with both personal and practical implications. While there are numerous benefits to becoming a homeowner, it's crucial to consider various factors, including your financial situation, lifestyle, and future plans, before taking the leap. Let's explore essential questions to help guide your decision-making process. Financial considerations. 1. Monthly housing expenses. Before diving into homeownership, it's crucial to calculate the total monthly housing expenses, including mortgage payments. The size of your monthly mortgage payments depends on your loan amount, interest rate, and the loan term. If your down payment is less than 20%, budget for mortgage insurance. Property taxes. Property taxes vary by location but are typically tax-deductible on your income tax. Homeowners insurance. Lenders usually require homeowners insurance.